Tires and shit.
Holy shit.
Damn.
Holy
Dude,
shit.
Holy shit.
Wow.
I saw it like lift up.
It did. Oh.
Did you saw your life pass by with him?
Yeah.
Hey, he's going. He's taking off.
What is this?
Donuts. I see donuts.
Dude, that's crazy. I saw it lift up. Dude, that's fucking amazing. Alright, go for it. Like chips.
Oh yeah.
All right here.
You doing donuts?
No. He has 4x4 on. He's not gonna make donuts.
We're gonna put it on
He's about to take them off.
I think he better realize that.
I'm surprised he made it with street tires all the way over here.
Is
Dude,
this where we were
no,
going?
the entrance we came in through is right there. Oh look, I'm gonna drive it.
Hold on, let him have his fun. His brother's outside, dude.
Oh shit. You recording now, no? Your turn.
Get in. I'm doing
I
it.
got you.
He's coming out. He's coming out.
I think he wanted to do it with his truck.
That's the entrance we came in. Imagine coming down with that, with the Hummer.
Holy shit.
Is this the sand pit that you guys got?
Yeah, that's the drop, dude.
I don't know where Louis is going.
He's falling. Oh damn that bitch. He's still making donuts.
Where do we go down?
Holy shit. Mud pit right there.
Big ass.
I know, I saw it too. I was like, yeah. He's binky.
What the fuck is that? Oh, he's going for it.
Fuck it. You guys ready?
Go, go, go.
Where's this nigga's wipers at?
Oh, over there on the side.
Where?
Oh my god, I almost
You
hit my
gotta
head.
choose it. You choose it.
Twist it.
This one?
Yeah.
Yeah.
There you go. Oh, he's following you. Drift. Oh.
No, it's stuck, I think.
Oh, they're stuck. Yeah, he's stuck.
You can reverse it out. He's stuck.
That one was pretty steep.
Oh,
yeah,
shit.
yeah, he's stuck.
Oh shit!
Oh no! Tell him that's a wood.
Tell him to stop.
Look at him. Let's get down. Oh, he got it! Oh! Yeah, that was beast. Oh, you got it! You got it, man!
Hit the middle.
Why are you saying purple?
Cause it's dark. That's why.
Oh fuck! Why is it smoking?
Cause the water hit the engine.
It's evaporating. That's cool.
Yeah, that was beast. Fucking Lewis, you pulled that bitch off of there.
Where did it go?
Right there. Uh-oh. Oh.
This is why I like driving with my brother.
Cause it's way funner. Ah, bitch, you put my window down.
Put it up. No, because then I can't see through the side.
Fuck it, let's get wet.
Oh no.
My window. I mean my
Seatbelt on.
So I have to put my seatbelt on?
I don't like moving around.
If you don't want to hit yourself, you're heading the top of the roof. That shit will happen. Holy shit.
Let's look around. Alright, split up? Yeah, let's look around this area. See what's good. Alright, I go forward.
I'm gonna hold on tight to my phone. I don't want to fucking flying off the freaking window. Hit them trees. Oh. Holy shit. Slowly. There's fucking mud all over. Oh.
You can't go to the right right here?
No, that's an exit.
Oh.
Hey, somebody was here. Look at them. Hot and ready and
Not
cook
that
us.
long ago, too.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Somebody was here already.
That's exit again. Yeah. Arbolito, I don't want to squish you. Oh, you have to turn off traction control.
He hasn't turned it on?
Oh.
Oh. Let me do a donut, Lewis.
You can't really do it, though. Just look. I'll try it and then you try.
Ah, what am I smelling?
Turn it, then
Step on the gas, turn the other way.
look, then it'll just turn the other way.
Oh, there we go. Oh.
Does that count?
Yeah, that was like a donut. I tried to do a donut. I got his chips right here. You don't know, hold my phone.
Hopefully I don't drop it.
Dude, these are your chips?
Oh shit.
You care?
No, it was already off, man.
Put it on the windshield.
You can just bend it.
Holy
Back
crap.
place.
Going out now.
Can I get a shotgun so I can get it? Man, don't give me a shotgun.
Is this popcorn? No. Is it regular popcorn?
Yeah, butter.
You have warranty on this phone, right?
Are you gonna go through the water?
Oh, look, there's a tire.
See, come on. I forget to make.
Because it's 4x4. Unless it had a super strong engine that'll just tear up the transmission, you'll be able to do it.
Where's I can't see him. Oh shit, he's cool behind me.
Follow us. Let me drive.
Let me do one more.
Alright.
Woo!
What's down there?
Alright, here you go, Luis. This bitch is fun, man.
Here.
Just put it on top there. Grab your phone, let's go.
I think William found it.
Yeah.
Hurry up. Why is it blue, pink, whatever?
I don't know, because it's dark.
That's what
Oh shit, my phone.